As Tennessee fights the pandemic, opioid overdose deaths in Nashville are skyrocketing. Even though all eyes are on COVID-19, other leaders have been focusing on counting these overdoses. News Channel 5's Matthew Torres says we may not realize how many people are dying.
Losing one person to an overdose is heartbreaking enough, but saying goodbye to multiple people can be crippling.
I can't even describe it, but it's just unbearable. It's hurtful, it's painful, it's sad.
Ebony Ferris had not one, not two, but 5 loved ones and friends die from an opioid overdose within 2 weeks just this month. They died in different days in different parts of the city.
I'm angry at the people that's giving them this stuff.
The one thing in common is the highly potent synthetic drug fentanyl. It's easily manufactured and can be laced in almost anything. In this case, Ferris says fentanyl was in their Xanax or other opioids like hydrocodone. And we could see more devastating cases like this one, especially this year. 2020 is expected to surpass the number of overdose deaths from years before.
We were just in a bad way, breaking records left and right.
There were nearly 470 deadly overdoses in Nashville last year. So far in 2020, the number is already 354. Metro public health leaders say there was a spike around the time the COVID-19 pandemic began.
While we can't measure what the exact impact COVID has had, we have seen an uptick with overdoses, starting in March as well.
He says not only are new hotspots emerging, some patients need more doses of the opioid overdose reversal spray Narcan to survive.
I couldn't function.
Families now grappling with the ongoing crisis. They just want justice against the people looking to make a quick and cheap buck in the expense of someone's life. Matthew Torres, News Channel 5.
Thanks, Matthew. A group of people who lost loved ones to an overdose, they'll be gathering at Hadley Park at 7 o'clock tonight to discuss their stories.